Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u to the power of 4, because if I put this one going here and here, we can cancel about 1 over 4 and 1 over 2. Now we do first derivative for the both sides. We have the s equal to 4u to the power of 3 du. So I will put this one going here and this one going here. The s we change by this one. 4 multiplied by 1 over 4, you got about number 1. 4 multiplied by 1 over 2, you got about number 2. So we have u square. Now we have u and u. We can do about factorization. U to the power of 3 divided by u, you got about u square in here. Now I need to arrange this one into like this. Now I will put number 4 outside. So I need to put positive u. Later that we need to minus about u. Next I need to minus about number 1. Later that we put number 1 back, because I want to create about the factor divided by u plus 1. So u square and u, we can do about factorization. Negative number 1, negative u, we can do another factorization. So this one divided by this one divided by this one. So we have about u minus 1 plus 1 over u plus 1. And we put about the u in here. The integration of u, we have u square over 2. About number 1, we have u. About this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And we put about c in here. About u, that is about this one. So we put about 4 root for the both side. And we change u into this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.